Hey, it's Alexis, aka Alexis Tyler, coming to you with another video. And in today's video, I am using majority of e.l.f. cosmetic brushes to complete my full face, pretty much from start to finish. The cream blush and bronzer duo, it's a dupe for the Makeup by Mario brush. And the other one that I don't think is new, but it's new to me, is the Smooth Swipe foundation brush. If you want my honest opinion about the e.l.f. brushes that I use in today's video, just keep on watching. Let's go from crusty to flourishy. So today I want to highlight e.l.f. Cosmetics brushes. I picked up their new e.l.f. cream blush and bronzer duo brush. This is what it looks like, which looks very similar to the Makeup by Mario. Mine is dirty, but oh shoot, and the number has come off. But this is the Makeup by Mario one. This is the e.l.f. e.l.f. is black, Makeup by Mario is white and black. So I don't know the number because the number is rubbed off, but very similar as you can see. And I love this brush. So I have like, I think I have 2 of these. Honestly, I would probably have more if they weren't as pricey, which brings in the perfect opportunity to try a brush that could be equally as good, but more affordable, more cost friendly. So this one brush sparked this whole video. I have quite a few e.l.f. brushes that were already in my routine. For example, the cream and powder face brush. I use this in mostly all the time for bronzer, and I have used the foundation in the past, but lately I've been into applying my foundation with a beauty blender, so I haven't been using this in. I use this normally as my clean. This is the buffing foundation brush, which is a little bit more rounded or dome shaped round, if I'm describing it correctly. But I normally use this as my clean blending brush to just make sure that my foundation is brought down to my neck and there's a seamless blend into the neck. Wow, this is the ultimate blending brush by e.l.f. I always use this brush to apply my powder. I clean my brushes so they don't have anything on them. But these are I'm showing y'all my normal routine brushes. And really, a brush that used to be in my rotation quite a bit but hasn't been, this is the complexion duo. This is pretty much a dupe for the It Cosmetics brush, which is in my rotation. I use this to apply my liquid blush. It's the It Cosmetics All Over Complexion Perfection brush, but you can see this is e.l.f. right here, and this is the It Cosmetics, fraction of the cost. This brush is maybe in the high 40s range for this, and this one is probably no more than, I'm gonna say at most $12. And then another brush that I picked up that I want to try out, I'm gonna apply my foundation with this brush today. This is the Smooth Swipe foundation brush. This brush just looks so good. It just feels good. It seems like it's gonna be a good brush. So this is what I'll be using today to apply my foundation. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I've been outside playing with Abby Evelyn every day. I feel like I should get away without having to mix these. This is probably too much. I definitely feel like this is too much. I'm just spreading this out with a flat foundation brush because I feel like I squeezed out too much foundation. I'm actually gonna let that dry down before I proceed to blend it out. I don't have any patience. Oh, this applied really well with the brush. I like this brush a lot. And I don't think I have to pick up a clean brush because it's just, this is enough. I'll show y'all the elements. Now I'm curious, this is the powder blurring brush. I'm trying to see what do I want to use. Probably not the best idea to be trying a different brush and different product at the same time, but it seems to be going well, so we're gonna go with it. This is the new Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Souffle Pressed Mousse Cream Bronzer. I'm using the shade Brown Butter, but I like it. I'm liking this brush I'm using with it, and I'm liking the product itself. Just gonna put that on my eyelids. Next, let's pick up the Complexion Duo brush, and we're picking up the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin. I don't know, it's a cream blush. I'm picking up the shade Bellini. I don't think this is the brush. It's not a brush issue. I don't think I care for the product, maybe. Well, no, I just tried to over apply the product. Okay, once I wiped off some of the excess product, that was good. It's actually really, really pretty. Okay, so a little bit of this goes a long way. Now for concealer. I don't have an e.l.f. like flat concealer brush, so, but I am going to blend this with an e.l.f. brush. This is the Cream Blush and Bronzer Duo. I'm using this for concealer. I'm just taking my foundation brush and going over that. And my bronzer brush, just to make sure we're still seamless. Picking up my blush brush just to make sure my blush is blended, and I'm taking that blush brush and blending out the nose strip of concealer. What do y'all think so far? This is the e.l.f. Airbrush Blender Brush. I'm picking up my little very pale blush. I'm going to set my blush down, this brush. This brush I can go without, I can tell you right now, for sure. I mean, it's doing a good job, but I can just tell with the way this one specifically feels, it won't make the rotation. All right, now let's take our very usual brush that we always use, the Ultimate Blending Brush. I don't even know if this is what this is still called. This is a fluffy but compact brush, more of a flat head, but this is what I use in every single video. It's compact enough to pack it on, but fluffy enough to like make your circular motions and blend it out and not disrupt what's underneath. All right, now we're going to take our bronzer brush. This is the cream and powder brush. We're gonna use the bigger side and place our bronzer. This is always my bronzer brush, so y'all always see me use this brush and complete this step. Pick up our powder, our foundation powder, with the same Ultimate Blending Brush by e.l.f. Now, we'll come back and do our blush. Lastly, let's put on some blush. Told y'all I have 2 of these Complexion Duo brushes. I actually have 3, but I think I'm gonna use the other one to apply some blush. Yeah, I'm gonna do just like I normally would. Tap on my hand. Oh yeah. This is the finished look. Let me know what you think. Even though it's not about the look, this look turned out really beautiful and simple to me. But will you be picking up any of these brushes, or do you already have some of these brushes? In my case, I had a lot of these brushes already and I just needed to pick them back up. But if you're in need of some makeup brushes and you don't know where to start, I always recommend starting with more affordable brushes. I know some people recommend just the opposite. You invest your money into your brushes, but right now, y'all, the drugstore has been really stepping up when it comes to the actual makeup product and also the brushes. So an e.l.f. to me is where it's at when it comes to brushes. I would probably say we're always referencing 2016. I would say in 2026, e.l.f. brushes are 2016 Morphe brushes. Like Morphe had us in a chokehold in 2016. e.l.f. has come to step up to the throne to challenge Morphe 2016, if that makes sense. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos like this or something similar from me, be sure to click that subscribe button and leave me a comment below. See you in the next one.